everybody, welcome back to Shed Talk. We're gonna not be in the shed this week. We're gonna do it while we're driving on the trails. So here I am with Chris right with me. And before I start anything else, remember to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff if you enjoy the channel or not. We were wondering, what kind of trail system do you guys have? Do you have actual trails like what we have right here in front of us? We are on managed trails.
Somewhat.
Here, well, yeah, somewhat. This is a new trail, so I mean it's pretty sloppy and everything else like that. It's yeah. Then we have these funny signs along the way. Rap rap pa. Anyways, these are our managed trails. This is a new trail, so it's taking quite a bit to get up to par, and we have quite a bit of members on it, so it doesn't take very long for it to get ruined very fast. And it's very costly to fix them. Drive it like you stole it. Oh yeah. Drive it like I stole it. Anyways, what kind of system do you guys ride on? Is it all mud stuff? Is it nice, perfectly flat, smooth trails? Which is where we're going to be eventually on there today. But let me know. And share some pictures if you can. I guess that's that. You got anything else to say? No, you're an idiot. Never mind.
Have a good day, everyone. Yeah,
Alright, see you everybody. Remember, like, subscribe, share. If you enjoy it anyways. If you don't enjoy it, that's that. I mean, I can't please everybody. What did you say?
Subscribe anyway.
Subscribe anyways. Alright, you can always listen to him. Alright, see you everybody. Yeah, oh yeah, if I see anything interesting, I'll make sure to record it.